Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDkt Zweli Mkhize uthi kulindeleke ukuthi iqubuke ngamaqulu i-coronavirus njengoba abantu sebebuyele emsebenzini nezingane zibuyele ezikoleni. Ungqongqoshe uMkhize ubekhuluma esibhedlela iRob Ferreira eMbombela eMpumalanga.
Ungqongqoshe bevakashela eMpumalanga emkhankasweni wakhe wokuyohlola izindawo ezinegciwane i-corona. Kunokukhathazeka ngokuthi singase sikhuphuke isibalo sabantu abathelelekayo njengoba lelizwe lisesigabeni sesithathu.
If the numbers were to increase, the ICU is ready. I've met the doctors, young doctors, very enthusiastic. I've met the matron and the nurses, very experienced, and all of them understand what needs to be done. If there is a patient that needed ICU, they'd obviously shift the patients to another part of the province where there will be beds, and therefore they dedicate the beds. Right now, they're still going on with the normal treatment.
Ungqongqoshe uthi ujabule ngomsebenzi owenziwa uMnyango weZempilo eMpumalanga ngokubhekana nabantu abanegciwane. Ukuntuleka kwezisebenzi kuhlale kuyinselele.
We need to then strengthen a number of areas. For example, the issues which are my concern here, one is the shortage of staff. They've raised it with me, and I believe that we need to work together to get more and more staff, particularly the specialized ICU patients, trained nurses. It's an issue. Secondly,
usemunye umuntu oshonile esifundazweni eMpumalanga ngenxa ye-COVID-19.